Start by gathering every tool and material you will need so the job does not stall once you begin. For a laundry room tile floor install, start with a complete materials list. Tiles plus an extra 10% for cuts and breakage, thinset mortar matched to your tile and substrate, and grout suited to the expected traffic and moisture. Bring cement backer board or an uncoupling membrane and compatible thinset if you are tiling over wood subfloor. Measure and cut the backer board to fit and use corrosion-resistant screws with proper spacing. Include a quality tile cutter or wet saw with a diamond blade for precise, straight, and diagonal cuts and tile nippers for small notches. And add a margin trowel size to the tile recommendation, a grout float, a rubber mallet, and a level for frequent checks. Gather spacers that match your grout line, plan and painter S tape to protect fixtures and mark layout lines. Keep a chalk line for establishing a centered layout and a sponge, buckets, and clean water for grout cleanup. Have a good vacuum, stiff brush, and a damp cloth for substrate cleaning, as well as a primer or patching compound for leveling small dips before backer board installation. Finally, protectors like knee pads, gloves, safety glasses, and a respirator for dust from cutting and mixing will keep you safe and efficient. People commonly start without enough tiles, which forces last-minute purchases that may not match, so buy an extra 10% and one additional box for safety. Another frequent issue is inadequate substrate preparation where loose or unlevel floors lead to tile cracking. Always fasten backer board over clean, dry, flat surfaces, and use a thinset bed as recommended for the product. A third problem is using the wrong trowel or mixing mortar improperly, resulting in poor adhesion and lippage. Follow the tile manufacturer trowel size chart, mix to the right consistency, and butter large format tiles on the back if needed to ensure full coverage. We operate bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that fits their skills and service area. We also run a discussion community so users can ask questions, share photos, and get peer feedback during every stage of a project.